Boots down, turn it. Hey, way loud. Woo. Beat hits, hard jumps, pour it. One more round. Snap back low, but my hopes stay high. Got that neon glow in your country eyes. You move slow, then you jump on time when the kick drum meets that whiskey line. Stop once, slap twice, hey, feel that rolling dice. Are you ready for the ride tonight? Are you ready for the ride tonight? Let's go, go, go. Boots on the bass, hey, hands in the sky, hey. We don't come down, we only get high. Floor on fire, country energy in a festival wide. Boots on the bass, oh yeah, boots on the bass, oh yeah, boots on the bass. Turn it up, don't stop, yeah. Little dirt on my shirt, but I feel brand new. Got that long neck shine, going shot for shot with you. You say one more song, I say one more drop. When the synths come in, all the hurt just stops. Just stop, just stop. Stomp once, clap twice, hey, spin you like the lights. Are you ready for the ride tonight? Are you ready for the ride tonight? Come on! Boots on the bass, hey, hands in the sky, hey. We don't come down, we only get high. So high. Boots on the bass, hey, floor on fire, hey. Country energy in a festival wide. Boots on the bass, ooh yeah. Boots on the bass, ooh yeah. Boots on the bass. Turn it up, don't stop. Oh, we're shouting. Oh, no doubting. Oh, from the bar.
This dance is called Boots on the Bass, choreographed by Raymond Sarlemijn. It's a 32-count, 4-wall, improve level line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, jump out, right left, hold, jump in, right left, hold. Rock back on your right foot or jump back, recover, walk, right, left. Section 2, step right foot forward, pivot quarter turn left, step right foot forward, pivot quarter turn left, facing 6, fast, weight changes back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Section 3, right, left diagonal, out, out, back, forward. Lock, hit your left foot, step, lock, hit your left, step, lock, hit your left, step. Last section, touch right foot forward, swivel both heels to the right, return, together, left foot, rock forward, recover, half turn left, stepping forward, quarter turn left, side, half turn left, side, touch. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.